So today I'm here to share with you guys the Numoa 60 LED high power rechargeable clip fill video light, guys. This is what you guys are looking at right here. And guys, I've been using this for the last few days and I've loved it so far. So I'm going to show you guys how you can use it and the uses that I've found have been amazing with it and some of its features, okay? Number one, as you guys can see here, it's a smaller light, okay? So this is something that's going to be super easy to use with your phone. You can also attach it to your laptop or your desktop computer if you stream or you do any kind of video type stuff or take photos or whatever the case may be. If you're doing any kind of any kind of meetings online, that type of thing where you need to stream and might need to illuminate yourself, this is a great way to do that, okay? I've used it both on my phone as well as on my laptop and my desktop, and it's been amazing, okay? So the light is what you see here. It's not heavy like a lot of other box lights like this, those portable lights. Definitely not heavy, as you guys can see. The size, according to what you see here from my hands, it's a nice size. Super, super easy to put on your phone, okay? And so I'll show you guys how to put it on your phone as well, but let me show you guys the features of the actual light itself so you can see just how many really cool options there are as far as your lights are concerned, okay? Number one, okay, you have got 3 light modes and you'll also have 10 brightness levels, okay? So with that, you'll turn it on. Here's your on-off switch right over here. You're gonna turn it on by holding it down and you'll turn it on. So that's one of the many light modes you have, okay, because you have these different light modes you can choose from. So a nice variety of lights for the different types of settings you may be filming in or recording in or taking pictures in. And the really cool thing about these light modes is the fact that you can also change the actual brightness and dimness of the lights. And you do that by pressing this right over here. So we've got 2 buttons, a plus and a minus. And what you're going to do to change the brightness is literally press the plus to increase the brightness, or press the minus to reduce the brightness of the light. So I'll show you with a different light mode. So turning it brighter and turning it lower by using the minus, okay? And then of course you'll turn it off by holding it down and it turns off here. It is rechargeable, so you're going to see that there are areas here for you to be able to charge this battery that's on the actual light itself. It does come with the cord that you would charge with. Also, the clip that you guys see here, one, it comes with a back clip, which is not what you see here at all. I actually have that in my backpack, but in order for you to be able to use this on your phone, your MacBook, whatever the case may be, right? Your computer, you will have this clip that you will attach right in here. And as you guys can see, super easy to take out and put in, okay? So just like that, okay? And in order for you to place it, let's say you're wanting to use it on your phone, you're just gonna affix it to your phone just like this, and it clips really easy on the phone. Of course, make sure you're allowing your camera lens to peek through the circle that's here, and it's a large enough circle so that if you have a different type of phone, you're able to use that with this as well, and it's not going to cover your camera lens. And then you can kind of move this around as you see fit and tighten it as you see fit. And then of course use your phone as you would to record or to take photos or whatever the case may be, and adjust your lights as such. Same with your computer, etc. You can just attach it with the clip very easily. This clip literally looks just like this, and you'll just clip it. It's got a nice grip to it too. So I wanted to show that to you too. That being said, this has been an incredible find. I have been using it so much over the last few days. I got it because I needed it right away. And I've been using it not only on my phone, but also on my desktop as well as my laptop. And it's been incredible, guys. So I hope this video helps in making your decision.